Hello, today we are here again with a few MCQs from the CBSE Board Biology Chapter 1, which is Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. And we will be discussing a few MCQs, pretty easy MCQs. And shall we start the first one? The first one of today's MCQ is, which among the following cell is a binucleate in an embryo sac? Binucleate cell in an embryo sac is what you have to find out. Options are antipodal cells, option B central cell, option C synergid, option D female gamete. Obviously, if you know the structure of an embryo sac, you have studied the structure of an embryo sac, this is very easy for you to crack, right? Because you will be able to find two polar nuclei somewhere in an embryo sac. That is where the answer relies. And where you can find the two polar nuclei is in the central cell. So obviously the answer here will be option B, which is the central cell, where we can find a binucleate condition, that is two polar nuclei are residing in a very big cell which is called as a large central cell. That is why we have gone for the option B. Okay, then coming to the next one, which among the following is a major cause of pollen allergy in India? Which among the following is cause of major pollen allergy? Okay, you have the options here. Option A mirabilis, option B myosotis, option C parthenium, and option D pistia. Which one is a major cause of pollen allergy? And obviously the reason for pollen allergy will be parthenium, and that is option C. Option C, parthenium is a major cause of pollen allergy in India. People are suffering from that, and obviously whenever you are hitting with this pollen allergy and everything, the very first symptom is like obvious allergic symptoms like sneezing, runny nose, watery eyes, like that. And sometimes even people get into suffocation. That's a severe one. Okay, yes. Then the third one is like study of pollen grains is called as. We have not introduced to the term in our textbook, but still we have to understand that the study of pollen grains is something. The study of pollen grains might be option A bryology, option B mycology, option C algology, option D pollinology. I have given you options in a way that you will be able to crack if you understand the words. If you are aware of the first year subjects, first year topics from our chapter called this plant kingdom, biological classification, everything. From the options itself, you are able to understand that bryology is the study of bryophytes, right? Mycology is the study of fungus, and algology is the study of algae. So all these three options A, B, C are down, and we are left over with only one option, that is pollinology. So obviously the correct answer will be pollinology. That is option D, and pollinology is the study of pollen grains. You can connect it with PP, the pollinology P and the pollen grains P. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye.